How to change app color on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to customize app icons and change their colors on an iPhone using the Shortcuts app. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open the home of your iPhone and you gotta long press on the empty place anywhere you find on the screen. So for example, you can see that this is some empty place. So I'm just gonna long press on it. And once you do so, you'll be able to see some minus icons appear next to every app. And you'll also notice that the apps have started shaking. So what you gotta do is click on edit here at the top left. So once you click on edit, you'll be able to see three options: add widget, customize, edit pages. So you gotta click on customize. So once you click on customize, you can customize the colors from here. The first is light, then we have dark. You can change the color of the app icons to dark, and you can change from automatic, that is according to your phone. Like if your phone is on dark mode, it will be dark. Or you can also click on tinted and change the colors. Like you can just drag this hue and change it into different colors. So that was basically how you can change app color on iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.